Hey guys, it's Matt. I'm excited to show you guys through this four-family that we've got in the middle of construction in South Trenton. We're about halfway done. I just got all of our rough inspections. I want to show you guys through, and we can talk through a few different things that they've done. Come on in. So if you remember, this is the kitchen. They've done the rough wiring here. You can see there's also rough plumbing done. And the word people use rough, and what that means is like there's rough and finish or rough and final when you do construction work. The rough work is all the stuff inside the wall, so the pipes, the ducts, all this stuff, the wire, and the switch plates and everything like that. These are the guts and the bones of a property, and it's all called the rough work. And so typically, I'll speak about New Jersey, but I believe this is how it goes everywhere, is that you have to get a rough inspection. So inspectors come through here and they look at all your framing, and that's the rough building inspection. They say, okay, the framing's good, your header's framed good, everything, okay, here's your rough building approval. Then the electrical inspector comes through and says, well, okay, use the right wire gauge, and use the right outlets, and use the right this, the right that. Okay, cool, here's your rough electrical inspection. And the plumbing inspector does the same thing, and then a fire inspector does the same thing as well, and they inspect the ties in between the two. The fire inspector is looking at two different things. They're looking at their fire safety, so smoke detectors and stuff like that, and things that could cause fire. So that's why a fire inspector looks at HVAC systems, not because they're in charge of HVAC, but because it is a fire point in a property. So the fire inspector is here just for fire safety. It's what they do. Electrical, plumbing, and building are the other three trades that they have in New Jersey, and I suspect they have the same ones where you guys are. So we've passed our rough inspection for all this stuff. Come on through. I'll show you guys. Actually, I'll show you guys out there. This is the laminate vinyl tile that we're using. It's a little clicky click thing here. So it goes, I wish I knew what we paid for this, and I could tell you what we paid per square foot for it. But what I love about laminate vinyl tile, laminate vinyl plank, is that it's super durable. This is a 10-year warranty. It looks nice. It's a great rental grade product that looks really, really nice, really, really elegant. It's going to uphold its integrity for a long time. And I buy stuff that has a 10-year warranty on it. And if a tenant scratches a little bit of it, you can take sections out, you can replace and everything like that. These are the clickies, so it's harder to replace them, but you can still do it. I actually prefer the glue down, but these floors were super uneven, so this is called a floating floor. So for the floors here where it's kind of bumpy and uneven, this is what we needed to do. I prefer the ones where there's no click and they just glue on the ground. We did that for our apartment building in North Carolina. Watch the video for that. We can probably put that in the description down below. You can check that one out. But that one glued down, those you can pick up with a clothing iron. You can just take an iron, you can peel it up, put the new one down. These have a clicky on the outside, so they work better for uneven floors because they kind of float and level themselves out. So last time we went through here, this was a big wide open ballroom. Now we've delineated it up, so this is the living room. Little closet, again, switch plate that comes in, that's all been wired up, and then the bedroom. And this was originally the entrance to the property. We're eliminating that door. We've eliminated on the other side. All we have to do is take the actual physical door out and sheetrock it, and this will become the bedroom. Nice generous bedroom here. Again, with those floors in this property, it's going to look great. And just the numbers on this property continue to get better. We've had lots of people roam by on this, just that are roaming by asking if it's for rent. And our construction guys quoted them a little higher than what I have in the underwriting on it. So I think we're going to do really, really well with this property. This is going to be sold as a turnkey. If you want to hear more about this property, email us at info@DeRosaGroup.com if you're looking for turnkeys that are going to be fully rebuilt with great tenants and great management. Shoot us a line if you want to hear more about it. So that's what I got for you guys. Have a great profitable week.